Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the formed element, that is the name and their appearance, number, characteristic and functions of that elements. First element is the red blood cell RBCs, or also known as the erythrocytes. There are number in our body 4.8 million to in the females, and in male 4.5 million per microliter in males. Characteristics: 7 to 8 micrometer in diameter, biconcave disc without nuclei, and live for about 120 days. Means their life cycle is 120 days. Functions: the hemoglobin within the RBC transport the most of the oxygen and part of the carbon dioxide in the blood. And white blood cells, WBC or the leukocytes, 5,000 to 10,000 microliter. Most live for a few hours to a few days, and some called the T and B memory cells can live for the many years. There are the combat pathogens and other foreign substances that enter the body. Next is the granular leukocytes, neutrophils, 60 to 70% of all the WBC, and 10 to 12 micrometer diameter nuclei, has the 2 to 5 lobes connected by the thin strand of the chromatin. Cytoplasm has very fine pale and granules. In function, there are phagocytosis, destruction of bacteria with the lysozyme enzyme, defensin, and strong oxidant such as the superoxide anion, hydrogen peroxide, and the hypochlorite anion. Next is the eosinophiles. There are 2 to 4% of all the WBC in number. Next is the characteristics: 10 to 12 micrometer diameter nucleus, and has a 2 lobes connected by S6 strand of the chromatin, and larger. The red orange granules fill the cytoplasm and eliminate. Their function is the eliminate the parasites such as the worms, which are the too big and to be phagocytosed, and the phagocytes antigen antibody complexes, and combat the effect of the histamines in the allergic reactions. Next is basophils. Their number is the 0.5 to 1% of all the WBC, and their characteristics are the 8 to 10 micrometer in diameter, and nucleus has the 2 lobes, larger the cytoplasmic granules, and appear the deep blue purple. Next, liberate. Their function are the liberate heparin, histamine, and serotonin in the allergic reactions that intensify the overall inflammatory response. Next is the agranular leukocytes. They are also known as the lymphocytes, T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells. 20 to 25% of all the WBC number, and characteristic small lymphocytes are the 6 to 9 micrometer in diameter, and larger lymphocytes are the 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter, and nucleus is round or slightly indented. Cytoplasm form a rim around the nucleus, and that looks sky blue, and the larger the cells, the more cytoplasm is visible. Their function: the medium immune response, including antigen antibody reactions. Beta cells develop into plasma cells, which secrete antibodies. T cell attack invading viruses, cancer cells, and transplanted tissue cells. Natural killer cells, and attach a wide variety of infectious microbes, and also certain spontaneously arising tumor cells. So, next is the monocytes. Their number are the 3 to 8% of all the WBC. Their characteristics is that